Welcome, and thanks for stopping by for this February bullet journal where I go back to creating my own pages after a while of using Happy Planner pre-done pages, which I really liked, and it actually helped me wrap my head around the way I like to organize things. But I did kind of miss doing this art, and so here I am making a super simple February bullet journal. I decided to put the days of the month on the front, and then each page I made a spot down the side with lines for making to-do lists, which I made it just a little bigger than the Happy Planner space. And then also on each page, the days of the week. And this first page has one extra day because the month ended on a Saturday. And if you pay close attention, you will see that I made a major mistake on this, and I'm actually going to fix it in the morning using some whiteout pen. So you can take a look and see. You can leave me a note that says if you've ever done this as well. So beyond having just the pages for the weeks, I really missed having my gratitude page. I like to think about all the things I'm grateful for, and I like to write them down, and I also like to share them with you. So I decided to go back to having a gratitude page, and I made it a little bit like little note cards or Valentine cards to write on. If you join me again next month and take a look at my March calendar, you'll see the things I was grateful for in February, because they will be on the opening page just to the left of the first page. So I went back after I did all of my logistics, and I just added some decorations because it looked a little boring. And I just put little hearts around, and then I put a lot of dots, and actually it was really fun just putting all of these little dots all the way around. And like I said, it's super simple. I think anybody could do this if you have dot matrix paper, because it makes it really easy to just count out the number of dots to make your squares. And then I literally just did little boxes and hearts. And so there wasn't much to it, except apparently keeping track of the days while I was doing my weeks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.